I smell manure. Wow, it got windy. Good morning, everyone. I'm in the desert. Made some soup last night and I didn't clean the pot. The best part of waking up is coffee in a cup. Let's go make that. That's good coffee. And hot coffee. Woo! It is sunny though, so I had to bring out the big guns. What is this shirt Stefan's wearing? Look at that. I got merch. If you want to check that out and help a creator out, then there's a merch store in the description of the video. Let's move on. The only problem I have with this hat is it's good for sun, but then when I get like a gust of wind, I have to always like hold it down. If I'm not paying attention, like, I'm holding a camera, I'm vlogging, it'll just take it right off. So hopefully that doesn't happen because I do feel a little bit of a breeze going on. It seems like, the bottom part is dead, but yet the top part is blooming. And seriously, most of the plants are like that everywhere. Can you guys hear that, besides the wind? There's so much life in the desert. Those are some birds. I would try to get close, but they'll probably fly away. But yeah, there's like lizards, snakes. I haven't seen any snakes. But I hear there's coyotes as well, and mountain lions, maybe foxes. It's just surprising how much wildlife is up here, where there's not a lot of water. And not only that, like, look at all these plants. Yeah, I know most of them are cactuses, but they survive. Look at that. How cool is that, huh? There's another one right there. Made it back to the van, and it suddenly just got windy. Maybe just for a second, just a few gusts. So that was a nice walk. Let's see how many steps I got. 10,000 steps, come on, come on, come on. I didn't even make 5,000 steps. Close to 5,000. Wow, it got windy. Really seemed like it was around 10,000, but I guess not. I still did a bit of exercise, which I'm very proud of. It is time to make some lunch. Lately, what I've been trying to do is basically cook a big meal and then maybe have leftovers for 1 or 2 days. That way I don't have to cook every day. I do enjoy cooking, but you know, sometimes I'm just not in the environment and I don't have the time. I cooked something yesterday which I didn't film. I was super hungry, so I just wanted to make it, but I'll show you what it is. Made this right here. I basically have a bunch of protein and vegetables in it, like mushrooms, chickpeas, eggs, soy chorizo. Yesterday I made it as a bowl. I threw some avocado on top of it and it was fantastic. It was very filling and I enjoyed it very much. Today I'm gonna use the same thing. I'm just gonna heat it up and make a few tacos and add the avocados, obviously heat the tortillas. And the reason I got this big pan is because I can cook something on the side and then it's big enough where I can have 2 tortillas heating up. The reason I'm cooking inside today, even though it's pretty hot, is because if I were to cook outside in the location that I'm in right now, and I experienced this before, that's how I know. There's a lot of flies and bees here. That's why I have the doors closed. The windows are propped open and some of them did get in, but if I were to open the door, it'll be fly heaven here in no time. And there's a lot of bees as well. Sometimes I gotta cook inside. I would enjoy to cook outside, to be honest with you. A little bit of spicy sauce. This was so simple to make. It took me like 10 minutes, not even, maybe 5 minutes, just to like heat them up and cut the avocado and I have tacos and they're delicious. Put a little bit of spicy sauce, a little bit of the tahini on the avocado. That's it. Lunch is served.
Standing on 2 feet again in a fallen world here, starting over.
I found myself a little park, hopefully to chill and edit. Let's see what it is, but it's now this gravel road and there's like some sort of vineyard or trees or farm or orchard. It's really cool. Well, that's kind of a gate over there, so I guess it's closed. Okay, let's try one more time. This time I got plenty of water. I had plenty of water before I have plenty of water. I really want to find that stream and see if there's any water and maybe even dip my feet in it if I can. Let's see if there's any stream at all. Even without the stream, I mean, look at the view. I smell manure, which means there should be some live cattle around. Got water and there's also a little bridge to cross if you don't want to get wet. But I'm gonna use the stones because that's how I roll. I also use the bridge to go back to get the camera. Just kind of want to come up here right now and just bring my laptop and sit somewhere on the grass and just edit away. Not a bad idea. But look how cool this is, huh? Under that tree right there.
Wake up, step into the world outside. The future never looks so bright.
I'm back at the van. It got really windy on the trail, but the question is, how many steps? 5,000? Come on. Where are we at? Let's say around 4,000 because it's not updating. It's down from yesterday. It's supposed to go up, not down. Found out some cows. Look at that. Hey guys. I'm at a farm. Look at that old Dodge truck. How cool is that thing? Look at that, some wild turkeys. If you would like to see more van life related content that I make, you can check out this video here. Thank you for coming along. Don't forget to hit that like button. Feel free to subscribe to the channel. And I will see you in the next one.